Most homeowners are making these backyard mistakes right now at Bray, and they don't even know it. Subscribe and watch closely, Penn. Most people don't realize these mistakes are ruining their backyard.
Mistake 1. No defined zones. Your yard looks random because nothing is visually separated. There's no dining area, no lounge area, just stuff thrown everywhere. The fix is simple. Use an outdoor rug or pavers to define each space. Dining zone here, lounge zone there. Instantly looks more intentional and 10 times more expensive. Mistake 2. Wrong furniture scale. Tiny chairs in a huge yard look completely lost, and oversized pieces in a small yard feel suffocating. Both are wrong. Rule of thumb. Your seating area should take up 1/3 of the total space. Not more, not less. Mistake 3. No clean edges. When grass just bleeds into your flower beds, it looks unfinished. Grab an edging tool and spend 30 minutes cutting a clean line. That's it. Your entire yard instantly looks professionally landscaped. Mistake 4. Zero outdoor lighting. Your yard completely disappears at night. You're missing 50% of its potential every single evening. String lights over a pergola, solar path lights, one spotlight on a tree. Costs almost nothing, and it completely transforms how your yard feels after sunset. Mistake 5. Dead patchy grass. Brown spots signal neglect before anyone even looks at anything else, and once you see them, you can't unsee them. They ruin the whole yard. Overseed in fall, water consistently, use starter fertilizer. A few weeks later, thick green grass fills every gap. Mistake 6. No focal point. When you walk outside and your eye doesn't know where to go, that's a problem. Pick one thing: a fire pit, a water fountain, a statement tree. Make it the star. Build everything else around that one focal point and your yard will finally feel designed. Mistake 7. Overgrown shrubs. They block light, crowd other plants, and make even a nice yard look abandoned. Shrubs that haven't been touched in years are one of the biggest visual mistakes you can make. Grab hedge shears and give them a shape. Trimmed shrubs add structure that makes everything look intentional. Mistake 8. Cheap or sun-faded decor. Old cracked planters and worn cushions drag down everything around them. Even one bad piece of decor can ruin the vibe of an otherwise nice outdoor space. A few terracotta pots, fresh cushion covers, one intentional piece, massive upgrade for almost nothing. Mistake 9. No privacy. If you feel watched every time you sit outside, you simply won't use your yard. An uncomfortable backyard is an unused backyard, and that's just wasted space. Bamboo fence, tall ornamental grasses, fast-growing arborvitae. Instant privacy, instant coziness. And number 10. Ignoring the transition zone right outside your back door. It's the very first thing you see when you walk outside, and most people just leave it completely bare. A mat, 2 pots, some stepping stones. Suddenly, the whole space feels connected and beautifully designed. Which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for more tips every single week. I'll see you in the next one.